Dichuo ma jahigni 55 mane owang'o jaode ma ochwe otho koro e okum kata omi kum mar twech kuom higni 40 e jela. Robert wachore ni onego jaode Omii mitei tarik 7 dwe mar 10 higa 2020 e boma ma Kobel e kar chung'ur bura ma Konoin mayudore e kaunti ma Bomet. Ma ne en bang' ywaruok mag udi bedo kama ne ochwe owang'o jaode kod petrol.
I'm the daughter of the deceased and the daughter of the accused. Today the matter was coming up for sentencing, and the sentencing has been made, and I think the ruling was fair on the years of imprisonment. He's been sentenced to 40 years imprisonment, and I think that was fair. As much as we felt so much pain and we're still traumatized by the circumstances surrounding our mom's death, I think the ruling was fair enough. Yeah.
I'm the sister to the deceased, and we really thank God for today. The sentencing has been passed, and the ruling, it was given 40 years, and I think that is fair for us. It's been a tough period, 5 years. It's been long, draining, both emotionally, financially, especially for the kids, and we really thank God because today, I think this has been the end of our coming and going back. At times from like 2020, we've been coming for the last 5 years to the court. At times the court bounces, but today we thank God because the ruling has been passed. We are really appreciative.